want to introduce you to two incredible self-care must-haves from Norwex. The first one is our brand new Brightening Vitamin C BioCellulose Mask and our much loved Deep Hydration BioCellulose Mask. Both are made from compostable fermented coconut, so they actually fit like a second skin, and that's important so we get maximum absorption of the ingredients. But each one has its own superpower. Now you can tell them apart easily because the Brightening Vitamin C has that yellow trim, and we're going to start with this one. So the Brightening Vitamin C Mask, in my opinion, this is your morning glow booster. This mask is all about radiance, energy, calming the skin. It contains some amazing ingredients like Kakadu Plum, which is actually the richest source of vitamin C on the planet. Plus, it brightens and evens out the skin tone. I noticed a visible difference the first time I used it, so be sure to take before and after photos. Next, it has niacinamide, which smooths our skin texture and reduces any dullness. It also has Nordic Antioxidants like bilberry, cloudberry, sea buckthorn, helps with that environmental stress, and 4 types of hyaluronic acid that deeply hydrate and plump the skin. The results every time are going to be luminous, refreshed skin, perfect for a big event or anytime you want a fresh, healthy glow. Now, you don't have to use it in the morning. That's just what I recommend because it's a great way to start the day. Next is the Deep Hydration Mask. This is going to be your evening reset. This one is all about moisture and calm. It does have 4 types of hyaluronic acid that helps hydrate multiple layers of our skin for lasting plumpness. It gets in there deep too. It feels so good. It has a lingonberry and sea buckthorn extract, which are antioxidant powerhouses that fight free radicals. It also has some natural moisturizers to lock in all of that good hydration. And if you love the smell of Ylang Ylang, you're going to love this because it's very lightly scented to ease stress and kind of uplift the mood. I love going to bed right after I use this. The results are going to be soft, silky, hydrated skin with your fine lines and wrinkles visibly minimized. It's perfect when your skin feels dry, tired, or just a little bit stressed. So now we're going to talk about how to use them. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with our face cleansed. Now I like to use a damp Norwex microfiber cloth to cleanse away the day or the night, and then I will go in with Norwex's cleansing facial powder for a really deep cleanse, clean those pores out. And then I'm going to pat dry. And when I open the mask, I'm going to separate the 2 sections and peel away the protective mesh. Now, then we're going to smooth the 2 pieces of the mask onto our face for a perfect fit. And we're going to leave it on for 20 minutes. After removing the mask, be sure to massage in the extra serum. Do not rinse. Use it once a week or anytime you need a skin pick-me-up. Pro tip. Keep these in the fridge. It's so good. It gives you a cooling spa-like experience. Now you're gonna love both of these masks. They are dermatology tested, safe for all skin types, and they're compostable after use. Each set includes 4 masks, or you can grab a bundle that has 2 4-packs, which is awesome. Brightening and hydration all in one set for an ultimate pampering gift. Now these actually make fabulous presents for moms, daughters, stocking stuffers, sisters, teachers, or just a little self-care for yourself. And if you get the bundle, you're gonna have 8 masks, so it's really easy to divide those up among the people on your list. So whether you're craving a radiant glow in the morning or some deep hydration at night, these masks will have you covered, but I'm going to tell you, take before and after photos because your skin and the women in your life are going to thank you. I'll see you soon.